Natural remedy to eliminate facial hair forever. At present, both men and women like to take care of themselves. But much more to women. When we talk about femininity, we always remember facial hair. It is the hair we are most afraid of. Today we will talk about a natural remedy to eliminate facial hair forever. 100% natural and 100% effective. Home remedy to eliminate hair with papaya. Papain is one of the active enzymes in papaya. It is able to break hair follicles and ban hair growth. Not only does this make your fine hair less noticeable, but it also naturally exfoliates the skin to give it an improved texture. Papaya is best suited for sensitive skin. So, use raw papaya in one of these two ways to get rid of your unwanted hair permanently. First way to use raw papaya as a remedy to remove hair. You need 1. 2 tablespoons of raw papaya made into pasta. 2. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Do the following. 1. Make papaya paste by grinding it. 2. Mix turmeric powder with this papaya paste. 3. Massage your face with this paste for about 15 minutes. Especially in the mustache. 4. Wash with water. 5. Do this once or twice a week. Second way to use raw papaya as a remedy to remove hair. You need 1. A spoonful of papaya paste. 2. Half a spoonful of turmeric powder. 3. Half a tablespoon of chickpea flour. 4. 4 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. 5. 3 spoonfuls of mustard oil. 6. 2 drops of essential oil, lavender for example. Do the following. 1. Combine all ingredients and mix well to obtain a thick paste. 2. Apply this paste to the body part in the opposite direction to hair growth. 3. Leave it on for 15-20 minutes or until dry. 4. Take a clean cloth and rub in the opposite direction to hair growth. 5. When all the paste has been removed this way, wash with water and dry. 6. Take a few drops of oil, moisturizer or coconut oil or olive oil and massage the skin with it. 7. Repeat this 3 times a week and continue for at least 3